Look! Look, it's Winnie the Pooh! Pooh Bear!
Hang on tightly, Roo.
Happy Wednesday.
Pooh Bear, I've got the entire honey pot to myself. So I can be as loud and obnoxious as I want. Rain came down, down, down. Uh-oh. Poor Owl's house.
We'll save you, Piglet.
First the wind, and now this.
Whee! This is fun.
Goodness gracious. Holy splendid way. Hello.
But it doesn't work over here on this side. It hasn't worked for a little while, about a month or so. It hasn't worked, but look, there's me. The honey pot all to myself. Swinging teddy bear. Slide. Let it be, so choozles, before your eyes will see them multiply. They're extraordinary, so then beware, because they come in every shape and size. Here, ready? I'm gonna turn this around. Max, Buff, and Melvin!
What a wonderful. Wake up.
Yeah, there they are back there. There's the hidden Mickey right down there under the trunk. Honey spot.
Boy, it's your birthday.
It's time for your party, Pooh.
Hooray!
Happy birthday, Pooh Bear.
Hooray!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Pooh.
Me.
I'm sure you'll find my
What's down there?
to be quite delicious.
Goodness gracious.
You'll never guess what it is.
The wonderful thing about Kickers is they get their birthday presents.
Disputed hidden Mickey, but those three balloons there. Anyway, this is a very quick, not very good vlog. I'm not a very good host. Waving to the camera. They let me go 2 times through, so I was able to just sit here. Really cool experience. Anyway, yeah, that's Winnie the Pooh. I'm gonna log out now. Bye.